Kanti Ithinte abaningi inkulumo yaloyo umdlali werabhi uSiya Kolisa ophinde abe umkapteni wamaSpringbok inkulumo yakhe abenayo emveni kokuba behlabene ngekhaphu emdlalweni we-World Cup obuphakathi kwe-All Blacks yase-New Zealand kanye namaSpringbok ase-South Africa. Kanti ngokusho kwakhe uSiya Kolisa uthe noma bengesilo uthando nesapoti kanye nespirit sabantu baseNingizimu Afrika bebengeke befike lapha bafike khona and akusekhona ukuthi bayadlala kepha sekubuyisa ithemba kuzakhamuzi zaseNingizimu Afrika.
I don't think like people that are not from South Africa don't understand what this means for our country. You know, it's not just about the game on the field. You know, our country goes through such a lot, and we are that bearing hope that they have. You know, and we're just grateful that we can be here. And I just want to tell the people of South Africa, thank you so much. From a third world country, you know, who just fight over and over, you know, for people that need hope. And this team just shows what diversity can do for our team, you know, for our country as well. As soon as we work together, all is possible, no matter in what sphere, you know, on the field, in offices. We just shows for what we can do there, and I'm grateful for this team. I'm so proud of it.
Huge congratulations, Siya. Well done.
Thank you so much.
President, on behalf of the team, we'd like to say thank you so much for coming all the way here. We understand you have a busy schedule, and we don't take this opportunity for granted. And on behalf of us, we would like you to thank the people of South Africa, the 62 million. And we've honestly been driven by them every single step of the way. We honestly couldn't achieve what you're achieving without the support and the spirit of the people, the resilient spirit of South African people. And I think with all that we are going through in our country, we just trying to do our best as ambassadors of South Africa by doing what we love, which is playing rugby. We know how far the sport has came, what it's done for the country, and we don't take that for granted at all. And we will absolutely give everything we can, like we have the past couple of games. And we thank you, and we can only say thank you to the people for the support they give us by what we do today, and that will be by giving our best. So just want to give you this.